Hail, wind, fire, vandalism? What do these things have in common? Besides being an opening to a pretty good action flick starring some of your steamiest and dreamiest actors, they are expensive occurrences for property owners in the state of Colorado. I'm Toni Morrow, and I own and operate Starling Adjuster Group. Unfortunately for me, I've never met the steamiest and dreamiest of our modern day actors, but I have met hail, wind, fire, and even vandalism. These bad actors are constant villains in my world, in which I scale your tall buildings, leap over your HVAC units, and hang from your gutter lines to find the damage on your properties that have been sustained. Once I find and document those damages, I work for you to get absolute recovery on your property claims. That means we don't settle for just settling. Please feel free to text or call for any questions you may have.